Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Are you ready to learn some different ways to answer the question, what is your name? Let's dive in.
When someone asks, "What is your name?" you can answer in a simple way like this. My name is, and say your name. For example, my name is Lara. This is a formal and clear answer, perfect for introducing yourself in new situations.
Now, let's look at some more casual ways to answer the question. You could say, I'm. For example, I'm John. Or, it's. For example, it's John. These are friendly, everyday answers that sound relaxed and natural. If you're meeting new people in a friendly or relaxed environment, like at a party or with friends of friends, you can get a bit creative with your answer. Here are a few fun ways to respond. They call me. For example, they call me Bella. Or you can say, people know me as. For example, people know me as Leo. These responses sound friendly and casual and can make you seem more approachable in social settings.
Sometimes, you might want to tell someone your nickname instead of your full name. This can be especially useful if you have a long name or if people often call you by a shorter version. For example, you could say, I'm, but you can call me. For example, I'm Jonathan, but you can call me John. Or you could say, everyone calls me. For example, everyone calls me Liz. These answers are friendly and make it clear that the person can use your nickname.
If you want to stand out or be memorable, you can add a little personality to your response. Here are some creative ways to answer the question, what is your name? You could say, you can call me. For example, you can call me Max. Or if you want to make it even more memorable, you could say, they call me and now you can too. For example, they call me Zoe, and now you can too. These answers are fun and give a unique touch to your introduction.
Alright, everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Now you know different ways to answer when someone asks, what is your name? Try using these different responses with friends, family, and new people you meet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.